Hello students, hope you all are fine. As you all know, government has announced 2 more holidays. So we have prepared some online content for all of you. Hope you all will cooperate. Today in our math class we will do exercise 7.2, question number 7, 8, 9 and 10. Before doing these questions we will recall the formulas. Our first formula was distance formula. How to find the distance between 2 points. Suppose the first point is x1 y1 and second one is x2 y2. So the distance between A and B will be square root of y2 minus y1 square plus x2 minus x1 square. We already have done questions or so many questions of distance formula. Next one, second one, section formula. Suppose we are having the endpoints x1 y1 and x2 y2. We are having a point xy which divides it into the ratio m1 ratio m2. So x will be equals to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2, and y will be m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. We have done so many questions of section formula already. And next one is midpoint formula. How to find the midpoint of a line if the endpoints are given. Endpoints are same, x1 y1, x2 y2. So the midpoint of this line is P. How we will find the coordinates of the point P? That is x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Already one question of midpoint formula we have done. Now we will go with question number 7. What they have said in question number 7: find the coordinates of the point A where AB is the diameter of the circle, whose center is 2, minus 3. This is the center of the given circle. Clear? And B is 1, 4. Now they said find the point A. Clearly, diameter is a line which always passes through the center of the circle. It is very much clear to all of you. The diameter of the circle always passes through the center of the circle. I have made the diameter which passes through the center. They said ki A and B are the endpoints of the diameter. So A we want to find out, so we will write it as x1 y1, and B they have given, that is x2 y2. O is the center point and the coordinates of the center is 2, minus 3. The center is always a midpoint of the diameter. We all know the center is midpoint of diameter. This is clear to all. We all know about this. So we will apply which formula? Yes, midpoint formula. We will apply midpoint formula. What is the midpoint formula? Midpoint formula, that is x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Clear? Midpoint they have already given, that is 2, minus 3. What is the value of x1? That is x1. What is the value of x2? That is 1. x1 plus 1 by 2. Now what is the value of y1? That is y1. Value of y2 we have written, that is 4 divided by 2. We know in ordered pair, first element is always equals to first one, second element is always equals to second one. So the 2 must be equals to x1 plus 1 by 2 and minus 3 will be equals to y1 plus 4 by 3. Clear to all? Now cross multiply. 4 equals to x1 plus 1. So 4 minus 1 will become x1. So x1 will become 3. Now we will go to second one. Minus 3. Now do the cross multiplication. It will become minus 3 multiply 3 equals to y1 plus 4. Minus 9 equals to y1 plus 4. 4 will go to that side and become minus. So y1 is minus 9 minus 4. So this is equals to minus 13. So the point y1 is minus 13. Coordinates of point A are, those were x1. This will be equals to 3 comma minus 13. So our answer is 3 comma minus 13. Hope you all are able to understand the question. Clear to all? Yes. Now we will move to question number 8. The question number 8 is, wait a minute. Question number 8 is, if A and B are, they have given us the coordinates of the point A, that is minus 2 comma minus 2, and the coordinates of the point B are 2 comma minus 4 respectively. Find the coordinates of P such that AP is equals to 3 by 7 AB and P lies on the segment AB. They said we are having a line that is AB. P is a point on this line. We don't know where it is, so we will mark it anywhere. Suppose I have written here P. Clear to all? Now they said the ratio of AP and the complete AB is 3 by 7. But for section formula we need the ratio of AP and PB. We need the ratio of AP and PB. No problem, we can find. Yes, the coordinates of A are minus 2 comma minus 2. Coordinates of B are 2 comma minus 4. Now we will find the ratio. What they have given to us? AP equals to 3 by 7 AB. Clear? We can break or we can write AB as AP plus PB. Yes, AP plus PB will become AB. So may I write AB as AP plus PB. Clear to all? Now do the cross multiplication. 7 AP equals to 3 AP plus PB. Hope you all are able to understand. This will become 7 AP is equals to 3 AP plus 3 PB. Clear? Now take this to that side. 7 AP minus 3 AP will become equals to 3 PB. It will become 7 AP minus 3 AP, that is 4 AP equals to 3 PB. So AP by PB equals to 3 by 4. So we get the ratio of AP and PB, that is equals to 3 ratio 4. So of 3 AP and PB will be 3 ratio 4. So this is our x1 y1. This is our m1 ratio m2. This is our x2 y2. Is it clear? Now we want to find the coordinates of the point P. We will write it as x comma y. Now we know if the endpoints of a line. Now we will find the point coordinates of the point P by using section formula. So the x will be equals to, formula is m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2. Put the values of m1 x2 m2 x1. So the value of m1 is 3, value of x2 is 2, value of m2 is 4, value of x1 is minus 2, again value of m1 is 3, value of m2 is 4. The x coordinate is 6, plus minus will become minus, 4 2s are 8 divided by 7, that is minus 2 comma by 7. Next we will find y, coordinates of y, m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. Put the values, m1 is 3, y2 is minus 4, m2 is 4, y1 is minus 2 divided by 3 plus 4. This will become 4 3s are 12, it will become minus 12, plus minus minus, 4 2s are 8 by 4 plus 3 is 7. It will become minus 20 by 7. Clear to all? So the coordinates of point P are minus 2 comma 7 and minus 20 by 7. Hope you all are able to understand this question. Our next question is question number 9. Find the coordinates of the points which divide the line segment with the endpoints A, that is minus 2 comma 2 and B 2 comma 8 into 4 equal parts. Already we have done question number 2 of 7.2 exercise. In that question we have divided the line segment into 3 equal parts. In same way, exactly in the same way, we will divide the line into 4 equal parts and find the coordinates of the points. Yes, the line segment they have given, the endpoints are A minus 2 comma 2 and B, that is 2 comma 8. Now we will divide the line into 4 equal parts. This is our first part, this is our second part, this is our third part. Clear to all? Now we want to find out the coordinates of the point P, Q and R. We know the P will divide it into the ratio. How many parts are there? 1. Next side we are having 1, 2 and 3 parts. So the ratio in which P will divide AB will be 1:3. The ratio in which Q will divide, that is 2:2. The ratio in which R will divide, that is 3:1. We will start from P. For this we will apply the formula, section formula. What is section formula? That is xy equals to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2, m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. Now firstly we will find the points of coordinates of P. Yes, that is x comma y equals to m1, that is 1:3. m1 is 1, m2 is 3. This is our x1 y1, this is our x2 y2. Clear? Now put the values. m1 is 1, x2 is 2, m2 is 3, x1 is -2, divided by m1 plus m2. Clear? Now put the values of m1, that is 1, y2 that is 8, m2 that is 3, y1 that is 2, divided by m1 plus m2. Clear? This is equals to 2 ones are 2, plus minus -6, divided by 4, and this will become 8 ones are 8, plus 3 twos are 6. 8 plus 6 by 1 plus 3 is 4. This is equals to -4 by 4. This is equals to 8 plus 6 will be 14, divided by 4. 4 will cancel out with 4. We are left with -1, and we will divide it. This is 7. This will become 2. 7 by 2. Clear? So the coordinates of the point P are -1, 7, 2. Now we want to find the coordinates of the point Q. The ratio will be 2:2. This side we are having 2 parts, this side we are also having 2 parts. We can divide this. This will become 1:1. We can apply section formula here. Also we can apply midpoint formula, as the ratio is 1:1. That means this side and this side, the ratio is same. So this is the midpoint of the line AB. It's our wish, whatever formula we want to apply, either section formula or midpoint formula. So I will go with section formula. Now we will find the coordinates of the point Q. Here I have written small xy. Here I will write capital XY. Capital XY. XY equals to, same formula we will apply. M1 is 1, x2 is 2, m2 is 1, x1 is -2, divided by m1 plus m2. Same way, m1 is 1, y2 is 8, m2 is 1, y1 is 2, divided by m1 plus m2. This will become 2 ones are 2, plus minus divided by 2. 2 minus 2 will become 0. 8 ones are 8, plus 2 ones are 2, divided by 2. This will become 0 by 2 and 10 by 2. This is equals to 0, 5. Clear to all? So the coordinates of the point Q are 0, 5, and the coordinates of the point P are -1, 7 by 2. Now we want to find the coordinates of R. Yes, the ratio in which R divides AB is, this side we are having 3 parts and this side we are having 1 part. Clear? Is it clear? Now, how we will mention the point R? That we will write capital X dash and Y dash. Clear? Now this is your homework. Find the coordinates of R, which is equals to X dash Y dash, by same formula, section formula. Clear? Now in tomorrow's or Monday's class, you will give me the answer. Clear to all? Can you solve? How we will find? We will put the value of m1, x2, m1 divided by m1 plus m2. Here m1 will be 3, m2 will be 1. You can complete this question by yourself. It's easy, you must try once. Okay. Now we will move to next question. Yes, our 10th question is find the area of the rhombus if its vertices are these taken in order. That means first will come at A, second will come at B, third will come at C, then next will go to D. This is A, B, C, D. We know in rhombus all the sides are equal. They have given us the vertices. First one is 3, 0. Second one is 4, 5. No one will write any other except 4, 5 because they have told you all the vertices are taken in order. 3, 0, 4, 5. Then minus 1, 4 will come. Then next minus 2, minus 1 will come. Is it clear to all? Come to next. What is the area of rhombus? Hint they have given in the book, but they will not give in the exam. So must remember the area of rhombus, that is equals to half multiply diagonal first multiply diagonal second, or you can write half multiply product of diagonals. But they have not given us the diagonals. Diagonal is AC. How we can find the length AC? As endpoints are given by distance formula. Yes. Similarly, we can find the diagonal BD also by using the distance formula between B and D. Clear? Firstly, we will apply the distance formula to find the distance between AC, A and C, and B and D. Clear? Now, distance formula. What is distance formula? Already you have given the test of distance formula exercise. That is equals to AC. Distance is always positive, so we put these lines. This is equals to root of y2 minus y1 square plus x2 minus x1 square. So this will become that, yes, y2 is, this is the y2, this is x2, this is x1, y1. Now put the values. Root of y2 is 4, y1 is 0, x2 is minus 1, x1 is 3. This will become 4 minus 0 is 4, and minus 1 minus 3 will become minus 4. It will become 16 plus 16. This will become 32. Make the factors of 32. 2 ones are 2, 2 six are 12. 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. So, we will find the square root of 32. From these two, 1 2 will come out. From these two, 1 2 will come out. So, 1 2 will left inside the square root. So, it will become 4 root 2. Clear? So, the length AC diagonal 1 will be 4 root 2. Now, we will find length of diagonal BD. Same formula we will apply. That is root of, here y2 will become minus 1, x2 will become minus 2. x1 will become 4, x2 will become 5. Now, put the values. y2 minus y1 square, x2 minus x1 square. This will become root of minus 1 minus 5 will become minus 6 square, minus 2 minus 4 will become minus 6 square. It will become 36 plus 36. This is equals to 36 plus 36 will become 72. Clear? Now make the factors of 76. 72, sorry, not 76. 2 3s are 6, 2 6s are 12, 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. From these 2 3s, 1 3 will come out. From next 2 2s, 1 2 will come out. 1 2 will remain inside the square root. So this will become 6 root 2. Clear to all? Now we find the length of diagonal 1 and diagonal 2, that is AC and BD. Now area of rhombus. Area of rhombus will become, wait a minute, area of rhombus will become area of rhombus half multiply product of diagonals. First diagonal was 4 root 2 and second diagonal was 6 root 2. 2 2s are 4 and 2 root 2 multiply 6 root 2 will become 2 6 are 12. Root 2 multiply root 2 will become 2. This is equals to 24 square units. 24 square units. We always write the area in square units. That's why we have written 24 square units. Hope you all are able to understand this question. The chapter from NCERT book is completed. 7.1 and 7.2. 7.1 we have done distance formula. Questions based on distance formula, how we check which triangle they are forming and how they form square, rectangle, which kind of quadrilateral they are forming. Either it is a square, rectangle, parallelogram or rhombus. And next in 7.2 we have done section formula, and we divide the line into 3 parts or 4 parts, and we can find the coordinates of these points, and also how we can find the ratio of a point. So this way we have used 2 major formulas, that is distance formula and second one is section formula, and one more we have used midpoint formula. Clear? So hopefully you all are able to do the questions of chapter number 7. Some questions as a worksheet we will provide you to do yourself. You all will try those questions, then you will surely be able to do those questions. Please try once. If you are not able to do, then I will give you some hints also, or if then you are not able to do the question, then we will provide the solutions also. One more thing, to question number 7, 8 and 9, 7, 8, 9 and 10's PDF we will provide you. You can complete your notebooks through these questions, and also must try to do the questions on the worksheet. Thank you so much. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks a lot.